Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add new habits to the Done application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the plus icon down below in the middle of the screen. Then you should type in the name of your habit. You should select whether you would like to build or quit this habit. Tap on the relevant one. Then you should choose a goal period, daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Then you should set your goal, how many times you would like to do this habit. Type in the relevant answer. You should also set the default count, log activity using, track goals on which days. You should tap on the relevant ones. Then you should, or you can add a group name if you would like to organize this habit into a group. Then you should also choose a color from from these options. You can decide whether you would like to get reminders by tapping on this icon. Then you should tap on the button Open Settings, and now as you can see it is allowed. So by going back you can save this new habit, but you can also add a note to it or write something that will motivate you in order to start doing your new hobby or habit. So if you are done with these steps, all you have to do is tapping on the save button at the top of the screen, thereby saving your new habit that you can see at your home page. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.